So I just discovered the best hair color hack. I personally love playing with my hair color. One day I'm in the mood for like a rich chocolate brown, and then the next something much more cooler and ashier. And how do I do it? All I do is alternate my color depositing conditioner. When I want to tone my hair to a rich chocolate brown, I'll use Davines Alchemic Chocolate Conditioner. And if I want to make it more subtle ash brown, I'll use Davines Alchemic Silver Conditioner after. The best part is I do it all at home. This hair color hack can save us a lot of time since we don't have to go to the salon, plus we can do it anytime we want. Try it yourself. Grab this at HairMNL.